Welcome to the Equipment Finance Navigator podcast, brought to you by Beacon Funding, the industry leader in truck and equipment financing. Each week, we'll break down practical tips, explore industry insights, and share real success stories from businesses like yours. Let's get started and unlock your business's full potential with the Equipment Finance Navigator.
Welcome back to the Equipment Finance Navigator.
And before we get into the main story today, we really want to address you directly.
Right, because if you are a startup or maybe a young landscaping or hardscaping business and you need equipment like a skid steer, a mini excavator, a dump truck, or mini wheel loaders,
you really need to head over to beaconfunding.com.
Absolutely. Do not wait on that, because today we are looking at a story that proves exactly why that step is so critical. We are talking about Jose Granados.
Right, with Grow Care Outdoor Solutions.
Yeah, and he went from a basic mow and go operation to leading an Inc. 5000 company.
It is an incredible leap, and it is an inspiring success story that I think others really want to replicate.
Definitely. But it is important to note he didn't start with deep pockets. If we look back at his start in 2006, he was a one-man show, just a truck and a push mower.
Right. And the real friction hit when he moved to North Fort Myers, Florida, and tried to actually expand. He had the ambition.
But the traditional banks just rejected him.
Exactly. Due to a low credit score and a limited business credit history.
It is that classic catch-22. You need the equipment to grow, but you need the credit to get the equipment.
Which is so frustrating for young businesses. But this is exactly where Beacon Funding offered a solution where banks did not.
Right. Jose connected with a Beacon agent named Tom. And Tom didn't require all that extensive documentation or proof that a young startup just cannot provide.
Yeah, because they focus on asset-based lending. Beacon looked at the value of the equipment he wanted, not just the past paperwork.
And the speed and ease of that process compared to traditional lending is huge.
And because of that, Jose was able to acquire a massive fleet. We were talking about a CMC S19 HD Pro Spider Lift,
Wow.
3 compact tractors, a forestry bucket truck, and a Vermeer wood chipper.
That is a serious lineup of machinery. But let's look at the financial strategy there, because the benefits of equipment financing and equipment leasing are the real unlock here.
For sure. By securing this equipment with low monthly payments, he protected his cash flow.
Right. He didn't just drain his bank account to buy one machine outright.
Exactly. That liquidity allowed him to pay his employees on time. It let him handle daily operations without stress.
And it makes the business so much more resilient during uncertain economic times.
Precisely. The equipment essentially pays for itself through the revenue it generates. If he had tied all his cash up in one tractor, one bad month could have ended everything.
But instead, Grow Care Outdoor Solutions is now a fully staffed enterprise, listed on the Inc. 5000.
Yeah. They transformed from basic lawn care to offering really complex services, like tree care and pest control, all because they finally had the right machinery.
So the takeaway here is that equipment financing isn't just about getting machines. It is about accelerating your success and your stability.
Right. And you can learn more about achieving these exact results by visiting beaconfunding.com/landscaping.
Let me reiterate that for you. That is beaconfunding.com/landscaping. Go check it out.
Definitely. And I will leave you with a final thought today. If you could protect your cash flow with low monthly payments today, what specific high-margin service could your business launch tomorrow?
That is the perfect question to think about. Thanks for joining us on the Equipment Finance Navigator. We will catch you next time.